Add 1 cup of fat-free Greek yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of sambal. Add 1 tablespoon of harissa paste. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste each. Add 2 teaspoons of sriracha seasoning. Add 2 teaspoons of table salt. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well until the texture is smooth and orange in color. Add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 squeezed lime. Make cuts onto the flesh of the chicken so the marinade soaks in, and this will enhance the flavors once cooked. Add chicken to the marinade and leave in the fridge for 1 hour. Put the chicken in the basket and cook at 200 degrees Celsius and cook for 20 minutes and turn halfway.